Alright, got the computer all set up. Got the heatsink installed, the Evo 212. Got the processor already in, the 3570K. Got the Gigabit 550 Ti. Got the power supply, the CX600. Got the 8 gigs of RAM. It's right there. You know, I got these blue LED lights all in here. And then you got the, that's one thing I didn't say on the previous video, is the Western Digital, was the Caviar Blue, yeah, 1 terabyte. And yeah, she's running good. There's the wireless card. She's looking really good. This the case. I mean, she's looking really good. I just set it up in the kitchen because I didn't want to do it on the carpet because everything else in my place is carpet and I ain't trying to get no static electricity, so I did it in the kitchen. But yeah, she's good. Just got to finish installing a few more things, do some tests, and she'll be ready to go.